the more we can encourage young men to really kind of become virgins, even if they've already had sex, just stop and hold on to that energy that you would be sharing with a woman, and share it with a woman that really you know is worthy of your seed. And women need to start thinking the same way too. Don't just lay down with some man because he looks fine and has a nice car and can say the right words that makes your heart flip or flip-flop. You know, how's his character? Is this the kind of man you would want to be your father, the father of your children in the future? Those are the kind of questions we need to start having our young kids ask. Have young brothers ask, okay, this sister's got a fine body, but does she have anything in her head? You know, and yeah, I could cop and get, you know, lay down with her, but if I have a child by her, am I going to want to be around her in the future? And if we start getting them to start asking those questions early on, we may be able to turn things around, and they'll focus on what they need to while they're nurturing their body is changing, they can nurture their mind, and then they'll really be able to go out here and master this world and be in charge of their lives instead of someone else being in charge of their life.